Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to make Cortana use Mozilla Firefox or default browser. Click Windows Start button, Settings. Click Apps. Click Default Apps. Click Default Web Browser. Select Firefox. Click Select Anyway. Close and exit settings. Open browser. Type Edge Deflector download in browser search bar. Click Download now. Double-click and install. Click Yes to continue. Click Edge Deflector and OK. Now search any words in Cortana. Search results are open in Mozilla Firefox. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.